Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Skoda Fabia. So from any screen, if you go to phone, click on phone, there's nothing at the top there, but there's the settings button here. So you click on settings, select mobile phone Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth. Bluetooth visibility, name, paired devices. We want paired devices. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, you'll see there it is installed for music and telephone, but there's the bin symbol. So click on that. Do you really want to delete Barry's iPhone 13 Pro? Yes, I do. Delete. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Skoda Fabia. First of all, we go to settings, make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. Now we go over to phone, click on phone. Please find Skoda BT2332. It's already shown up here, and there's Find Mobile on the screen. I'm going to press this, so click on Skoda. You'll see there it's thinking about it. We'll see what happens over here. There you go. Does this passkey match 964246? Yes, it does. So click pair and click yes. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. It's paired on the audio system, and then if we just try and find it up here, have I gone past it? I must have done. Skoda BT, there it is connected. That's how you connect the mobile. It's better to do it from the phone, wait for it to show up on the phone, than it is from the audio system. If you do it from the audio system, sometimes it asks you for the passkey, and the passkey doesn't show up on the phone. So do it from the phone first. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Skoda Fabia. So go to your music, select the record you want. I'm just going to turn it down, but you'll see at the bottom there the silver triangle and the 3 silver circles. If I click on that, there's a tick next to Skoda BT2. That means any music, any soundtrack that you play on your phone, if this is set up correctly, it will play through the system. So we'll go back to the record. I'll click play. We go over to the system, click on media. Now you'll see there that's on auxiliary. So that would only play anything that's plugged into the auxiliary socket down here. So what we do now, we click source, and then BT audio. That's showing it's playing this Girls Like You track. If I turn that up and I turn this up, that's it playing. Okay, I'll just show you how to use the Apple CarPlay in this 2018 Skoda Fabia. So with your iPhone, here we go, your charging lead. It's not easy to see underneath there, I've got to say, but there you go, that's plugged in. Now plug in to your phone. You'll see the phone's beeped. The system has come up, Apple CarPlay, new device detected. Would you like to connect with Apple CarPlay? Yes, I would connect. We'll see what happens. Allow CarPlay with Skoda while phone is locked. Yes, I want to allow that. And that's it. It's brought up Apple CarPlay on the system. It's mirrored my phone screen, and I can then use anything on here without touching my phone, or, you know, so long as it's plugged in, it'll work fine. You'll see there, those are my last used apps. I think that's Google Maps, iTunes and phone. So from here, you can either say, hey, Siri, and your phone will wake up and you can tell it what to do. Or if you don't want to do that, you've got the voice control button here. If you click the voice control button for a couple of seconds, you see the Siri button comes up there. Dial Barry Crampton.
Calling Barry, iPhone.
Have a temporary greeting on. To keep your greeting, press 1.
You'll see there,
To delete it.
that was dialing me. Text Barry.
What do you want to say to Barry?
Just testing the Apple CarPlay in this 2018 Skoda Fabia.
It says, just testing the Apple CarPlay in this 2018 Skoda Fabia. Send it.
Yes, please.
Done.
Now you'll see the system beeped. There's a number 1 in there, so that means I've got 1 text message, obviously. Now, again, you don't need to touch the screen. You don't need to touch your phone. You don't need to do anything. All you have to do is click this voice activation for a couple of seconds. Read texts.
Barry sent a new message. Just testing the Apple CarPlay in this 2018 Skoda Fabia. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
Those are all your messages.
Even better with the with the navigation system. Take me to Starbucks.
One option I see is Starbucks on Capitol Way. Want to try that one?
Yes, please.
Getting directions to Starbucks.
Now you see it said go on the screen. If you click that, you would go, but you don't even need to click the screen. If you just carry on driving, it will take you there automatically because you've not countermanded the instructions. So that's the navigation system. It is brilliant. What else is there? Play Sweet Caroline.
Here's Sweet Caroline by Neil Diamond.
Where it began.
Of course, you can use the volume switch on the steering control as well. Shuffle music.
Playing all songs from Apple Music.
So, as I say, you don't have to touch the controls, but you've got all the rest of your stuff on here. If you click the boxes at the bottom there, you'll see you can go back to the Skoda system just by clicking that. You've got here I've got audiobooks. Click on audiobooks, just listening to Bitcoin Widow, which is absolutely unbelievable, true story. Your Amazon Music, Spotify. You can also use WhatsApp, Google Maps, your calendar. No events today, so you know, I mean, it's just, and also you can even set the Apple CarPlay to remind you of stuff when you get in the car, for instance, or when you get home. It'll give you a message, you know, get milk and eggs or call somewhere on your way home. It's a fantastic system, and this little Skoda has got it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.